Hi, this is Don at Sew-N-Vac. We've got an Oreck on our bench today that needs a belt changed. I was going to go over that so some of our customers can see how to do it, maybe save them a trip in. We feel this is the most important thing you can do to a vacuum cleaner to keep it running properly. First you take the screw out, then this little section here will slide out. Sometimes you need a screwdriver. This time I didn't, so let's slide this cover plate off, okay? And then we want to reach in there and work the old belt out of there. Okay. Now, obviously the change procedure is going to be the reverse, but let's first look at the difference in size between a new belt and an old belt. The old belt's obviously stretched out of shape, which is going to slow the brush down as it hits the carpet and not pick up as much dirt. So we're going to slide this new belt on. Roller brush pulley first, and then work it up on to the motor pulley. Okay. I'm going to turn it upside down here and spin it up into place. Now we're going to slide our little cover plate back into position and replace the screw. And we're good to go. Thank you, and hope this is beneficial to you.